My name is Angie Lorena Castro.
Hello, my name is Estefania Moreno.
Hello, my name is Daniela Roncancio.
Our product is anti-snoring plate.
Basically, when someone is sleeping, the person buys the plate and the breath improves.
So the person doesn't snore anymore.
The customer mainly are dentists and dental clinic. We are located in Armenia, where dentists can buy our product.
The price
The price depends on how many units the person buys, but it is around 80,000 pesos. Value added.
Our product is done under the best quality standard. Competence.
We don't have direct competence in the market.